Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially for those living with diabetes or prediabetes. Fortunately, there are several simple remedies and lifestyle changes that can help lower blood sugar naturally. In this article, we'll explore effective strategies to maintain healthy blood sugar levels, empowering you to take control of your health. 1. Stay hydrated. One of the most straightforward ways to help lower blood sugar is to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps your kidneys flush out excess sugar through urine. It's recommended to aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Herbal teas or infused water with lemon can also be refreshing alternatives that keep you hydrated and support blood sugar management. 2. Incorporate more fiber. Fiber plays a significant role in regulating blood sugar levels. Foods high in fiber can slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, which helps prevent spikes. Incorporating whole grains, legumes, vegetables, and fruits into your diet is a great way to increase fiber intake. For instance, consider adding oats, beans, spinach, or berries to your meals. 3. Choose low glycemic index foods. The glycemic index (GI) measures how quickly foods raise blood sugar levels. Opting for foods with a low GI can help keep your blood sugar stable. Foods like whole grains, non-starchy vegetables, nuts, and most fruits have a lower GI compared to refined carbohydrates and sugary snacks. For example, swap white bread for whole grain bread, or choose quinoa over white rice. 4. Regular physical activity. Engaging in regular physical activity is crucial for lowering blood sugar levels. Exercise helps your body use insulin more efficiently and can lower blood sugar levels for up to 24 hours after a workout. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week, which can include walking, swimming, cycling, or even dancing. Finding an activity you enjoy makes it easier to stick with it. 5. Manage stress levels. Stress can lead to fluctuations in blood sugar levels due to the release of stress hormones like cortisol. Practicing stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or even simple hobbies can significantly impact your blood sugar control. Taking time each day to unwind and relax can help you manage both stress and blood sugar levels more effectively. 6. Monitor portion sizes. Being mindful of portion sizes can help prevent overeating, which can lead to elevated blood sugar levels. Using smaller plates, measuring portions, and being aware of serving sizes can help you maintain control over what you eat. Consider filling half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and the remaining quarter with whole grains. 7. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is often overlooked, but plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. Lack of sleep can lead to insulin resistance, making it harder for your body to manage blood sugar. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establishing a bedtime routine, reducing screen time before bed, and creating a comfortable sleep environment can promote better sleep hygiene. Conclusion: managing blood sugar levels doesn't have to be complicated. By incorporating these simple remedies into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps toward better health. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Embrace these strategies and empower yourself on your journey to stable blood sugar levels.